how to add or remove, reduce transparency to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Now in here, scroll down, then tap on Reduce Transparency. When you deselect an item, it will be removed from the shortcut menu. And here, when you select it, it will be added to the accessibility shortcut menu. So now if I triple click on the side button to open up the menu, in here you can see we have Reduce Transparency. So I can tap on that to turn it on or off. Now to remove it from the menu, just simply deselect that. And then if you open up the menu, that menu item has been removed from the menu. And that's it. So here I will select it again and open up my accessibility shortcuts menu. And in here I've got Reduce Transparency. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.